You had to leave the water park because of a tornado?
There was a tornado.
They won't let you swim in tornadoes?
No, we all had to hide in the bathroom for an hour.
Is that what they said? Is that what they need you to do?
Yep.
Because the bathrooms won't blow away.
No. You go first. You're willing to. Yeah.
Right.
No, you can't. All right, you're not. You're not.
Is Tiana actually going to ride with all the rides now that we're here? This will be like a monumental occasion. This is the first time that Tiana will have ridden all the rides with family. She rode all the rides the last time she came to Adventureland, but we weren't with her. But that's like the first time she's rode any kind of rides in any park. She made us go to Disney World, for God's sakes, because she wanted kiddie rides. But today we get to ride real rides, so that should be exciting. Kind of dark. Alright, there you are. So we're waiting for this big bucket to spill. Here it goes. Tiana on a roller coaster. Are you ready?
I think this is the first filming that you've ever gotten me going in a line for a roller coaster.
It is. Tiana on a roller.
Well, then let me look. We better just have one kid. Okay. Well, just one at a time. Okay.
Ready, Robin?
ride here at Adventureland, and it's awesome because the last time that we're ever going to ride the log ride. But the very first time that most of us in our family ever rode the log ride was with our grandma. So it's very sentimental to us, and we are all very glad to ride it, but at the same time happy to see something new come forward.
The last time we're going to get to ride this ride, what was your thoughts?
I'm really sad, and the roller coaster that they put in place of it better be a really awesome roller coaster, or I'm going to be really upset because this is one of the best rides at Adventureland.
Why?
Memories, and it's fun. And I know it's got a water park here now, but when you're just riding rides and you need to get wet and cool, this is where you go.
Oh God!
We're watching them being made.
That's cool, actually.
Ooh.
I like this ride, and it cools me off.
Yeah. It's really relaxing. Even this is making it easier. Yeah.
I should have went on. I could have went myself.
I just don't know what's wrong. As you get older, it's harder and harder.
I love it.
Oh God. I'm not gonna hold on. I'm gonna film. See if I can do this. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Seriously. Was that fun?
Yeah, it's good.
Was that fun?
Oh, get dizzy. Tiana drives a car. Is she capable of driving a car without getting us killed?
No. All right, where are we going, folks?
To our death.
Mike and Robin decide because
I hate pizza Hut.
because they are the most picky.
Which one? It sounds good.
Jalapenos are good on that.
Absolutely.
And how about a side of sour cream?
Freaking awesome.
What about a side of salsa?
Yes.
Okay, you didn't ask me that.
So appetizers, sriracha shrimp, some new nacho thingy, and there's the wonton tacos over there.